invited Mamita Baiju on stage, please. మన ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలకి ఇలాంటి ఒక మ్యాజిక్ చేయడానికి ఒకళ్ళు వస్తూ ఉంటారు. తన క్యూట్నెస్తో, న్యాచురల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్తో అసలు ఈ అమ్మాయి మన ఇంట్లో అమ్మాయి అనేంత మనం ప్రేమించేలాగా మమిత ప్రేమలు సినిమాతో ఎస్పెషలీ, అండ్ అలాగే ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చినటువంటి డ్యూడ్, అండ్ త్వరలోనే వెంకీ గారి సినిమాలో కూడా మనకి కనిపించబోతుంది. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ కరా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎస్.
Hi everyone. Thank you for this video. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉండ చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. And first of all, I'm really happy to be here. Last time I came was for Dude and Premalu, and the love I received from you people was always stayed with me. And Ippo, I'm currently promoting Kara, and Kara is very special film to me because it has challenged and helped me grow as an actor. And Dhanush sir, thank you so much for your support and encourage me throughout the journey. And it was always my dream to act with you, and now it's that true. And I'm so happy to be here with you sir, promoting the film. And Vignesh Raja sir, na idu ella edathilum solra the same thing. Thank you for trusting me with this role, and this wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you so much, sir. Aishri Ganesh, sir, Kushmita ma'am, Wales International, thank you for backing us so strongly. Ravi Kumar, sir, thank you so much for being so warm and cheerful. Thank you, everyone. Venki, sir, my director, Sai Durga, sir. Thank you for thank you for being here, promoting our film. It's an honor for us. And lastly, my audience, thank you so much for the love and support you have always given me. I love you too, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, Vigneshwara Entertainments, thank you for distributing our film in Telugu. And yeah, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mamita. You made somebody's day. They are so happy today.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So looking forward to seeing you in theaters on April 30th.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, ఇచ్చేసేయండి మైకు. అండ్ ఈరోజు మన కార్యక్రమానికి ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్గా ఇక్కడ